So here we've got a friend repair. Not a friend repair, a friend laptop repair. This is my friend's wife's laptop, and it's presenting with an issue where it doesn't recognise that it has a hard disk. I'm not saying that this is related, but I am suspicious. I would hazard a guess that the epicenter of that crack is right about here, and if I'm right, the hard drive in this thing is right about here. If we're lucky, maybe it's just a loose connector. But we have to find that out first, don't we? So, one moment, and I'll try and get this open to figure out what's going on. Actually, before that, what I should do is actually try and power it on and see what it says. Move that capacitor out of the way. Where's the thing? It's there. And awaken. And oh, here we go. Judge not. It doth not seem to be doing much. What if I put it up that way? Oh, there is light. There's some kind of light on the screen. Oh, change boot device order. Please install an operating system on your hard disk. Hard disk 3FO. And then we get to a BIOS, and it's asking me to change some settings. So use up and down to select the option. Boot options menu. There are no options. It doesn't seem to believe there's actually a hard disk installed. F2 for diagnostics. And if I go hard drive check, sure. Starting hard drive check. Starting hard drive check. No hard drive installed. Please check the power and data cables are connected properly. So let's do that. So I'll zoom back up. And try and find my way in. Alright, here we go again. Do I want some more light? Maybe I do. Can I find some more light? That is a good question. There is some more light. I can direct it downwards. Now there's some screws under these plastic feet, and I would like something to collect the screws in. Enter the, that's even more like it, the woofler. One foamy woofler. So it looks like this, I'm not sure what size it is, 3mm is about right. Silver screws at the back, under the feet. Come on, there we go. With some blue thread locker on them. And let's spudge underneath this foot here. Only lift up what we need to. Save the glue. And one there. In the woofler. Black ones at the front. I have an old towel down because, well, we wouldn't want to scratch the screen, would we? That wouldn't be good. Now it could be a break. It could just be that there is a break in on the board. If it's been stood on, that would be my prognosis, that it's been stood on and there's a break. It's going to be Can I get fingers in here? Fingernails, maybe. Where's a spudger? To just sort of find. Oh, there we go. Just run our way along and release the little clips. Still some more. There's one there. There we go. It's starting to come up. And there we go. Very carefully. Wouldn't want to break anything. In fact, a plastic pick might be better, because it might just be a little bit kinder. Have I got any plastic picks? I do. I have some plastic picks of varying thicknesses, but I think these blue ones might be good. Things are slowly releasing. Yes, we're nearly in. It will be dinner time shortly, so I may be interrupted and have to come back. There we go. Something to be said for plastic laptops. I'm not sure what it is, but there's something to be said for them. I just want to. They just don't want to give up their secrets. Give up your secrets to me. Very close. And probably, like quite a few laptops, there's probably a clip or two. Oh, there's a fair bit of gunge in there. Gunja. It's probably one or two clips in the middle. Oh, I think we've got it. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we're in. We are in. What can be seen? So this is the battery connector. Let's see. There's quite a bit of muck, and I might just try and prise out. This is the drive under here.